Hi everyone, Abby here, and welcome back to my channel, AbbyBCruising, or welcome if you're new. Now, I recently got off of Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas cruise ship. I'm going to be giving you guys a room tour of the room I stayed in, and I'm going to be showing you guys the rooms that the other people in my party stayed in as well. 3 rooms in this tour today: a solo interior, a regular interior, and an ocean view cabin. So the first cabin I'm going to be showing you is 2237, which is the solo interior cabin. So 2237 is actually part of the newer cabin additions on the ship. Adventure of the Seas did add in a couple of solo cabins, which is really nice to see. So just giving you an overview of the room here. It does have a double bed. All of the rooms do have a piece of artwork in them. Here you can see there is a bunch of shelving space as well as a safe below. The safe just holds kind of small things, maybe like phone, wallet, passport, stuff like that. It's not gonna fit like a laptop. There is a little like cooler. It's not really that cold, so I'm not even gonna call it a fridge, but they have this as well. A couple for keeping your drinks a bit cool, but it really doesn't keep food well. Here you can see there is a phone, little mirror, storage above the TV. The TV here is angle adjustable, so you can kind of move it left or right, depending where you're sitting in the room. When it comes to the closet space in the room, it is pretty limited, but obviously that's expected. This is a solo room for one. There is some room here where you can put some folded clothes. There's some room for hanging clothes, a couple of hangers. You can request more hangers if you need it as well. The bathroom was pretty small, to be honest, but for one, definitely doable. It does have good enough space to move around. It has a nice big mirror. You do get a little hand soap, towels, plenty of towels, small towels, big towels, lots of room here to put your toiletries. Coming over to the shower, it is sliding doors, which is great to see. No shower curtain. It does have a height adjustable shower head. The water pressure was pretty good. It does come with a shampoo, conditioner, and a body wash, and they all smelled pretty nice. I will say it's definitely a unisex kind of scent. It was kind of like a little bit of like husky with a little bit of coconut, kind of a little bit sweet. So it definitely was a nice fragrance, I think. There's also a couple hooks here, and in the shower there is a line that goes across where you can hang your wet swimsuits if you would like. Coming over here at the desk, you can see there are just 2 outlets, kind of 2 US, Canadian, North American outlets, and then there's 1 European, and they give some papers. To get a couple waters here just because of their crown and anchor size. Now you guys are going to be seeing the ocean view cabin. So the ocean view cabin, a lot bigger. You guys can see there's so much more room coming in here. There is a little couch. There is a TV. The TV is really only viewable from the couch. It tilts a tiny bit, but you really can't watch it comfortable from the bed. The thermostat in this room is your traditional one where you kind of just go to cold and hot, where in the solo room, because it was a newer room, they do have the newer type of thermostat. The TV, I believe, was the same size in all of the rooms. And the phone is beside the bed, which is definitely a better position. And one thing you'll notice is that this room does have a bit more storage space. And I'm just gonna show you guys quickly by the window. You can see out there. This room also has a safe as well. Coming into the bathroom, there's a little bit more space here, which is definitely nice. Just kind of more walking room. The shower, the exact same size though as it was in the interior. And we do have more closet space here. You could definitely fit full suitcases in there. Same amount of outlets in all the rooms. There was just 3, 2 North American, 1 European. And you do have a lot more room here for kind of folded clothing and everything. Now coming into the interior regular room, you can see that there's definitely more space than the solo interior. There is a couch in this room. There was no couch in the solo room. The bathroom here did have pretty yellow lights, as you can see on screen, but it was a nice size for sure. A lot of towels, same adjustable shower head. All right, guys, so that's everything for this room tour today. I've gone ahead and put all of the cabin numbers in the description below, just in case you want to book the exact same rooms. If you guys have any questions about these cabins in particular, drop them in the comments below. More than happy to answer them. I do have a full review coming on Adventure of the Seas soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.